welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey, then this video is for you. Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric / blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it.
This video will be about why does it happen when breathing and how to amplify it with your breath. First of all, spiritual chills can occur while breathing, thanks to the fact that breathing is one of the most overt ways for us to add to our source of spiritual energy. This process is known as gathering prana. Through it, we nourish the brain and the eyes. It governs the reception of all things: food, air, senses, and thoughts. Prana is the fundamental energy in the body and directs and feeds into the 4 other types of our spiritual energy, commonly known as vayus. Apana vayu is its opposite because its main function is about exhaling and expelling in general. So when you breathe in consciously, you can stumble on a way that always activates your spiritual chills, and that is thanks to you breathing in so delicately that you also draw prana from the oxygen. Seeing the difference between normal breaths can easily be seen when you breathe in unconsciously or consciously without your spiritual chills activating. Now, here is my preferred technique to feel and to amplify it, which is all about the location. First off, remember the pulling feeling of using a straw to drink. Then put your attention on the beginning of your throat and the roof of your mouth where your nasal cavity connects to it. Finally, with your mouth closed, duplicate the feeling of drinking from a straw while you breathe in slowly from that location deep in the back of your throat. Once your spiritual chills activate, just keep inhaling with the method and watch how it will amplify this occurrence. Doing this with your eyes closed can also help your focus to bring up this energy. Lastly, I recommend you find personal techniques during meditation with the goal of consciously breathing in a way that allows you to really appreciate the oxygen you are inhaling.
Thank you for watching this video, and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.